Focus. We can get a good steady video this time. Well, what's up, guys? Haven't done a video in a while. I'm out here in my new car that I just got. It's a 97 RS, not RS. It's a V6 car. It's got 3.8 V6, 5-speed. It's got it says 171,000 miles on it. Yeah, but the motor has been gone through somewhat, as far as I know. I know it's got a new crank and new bearings in the bottom end, and that's the only thing I do know for sure, because I can verify that. But other than that, give you a look at the headliner. It's in pretty good condition. Typical T-top Camaro. They drip right there, right where this seam is. So this is going to be the door seal, the part on the body, and this part right here is the T-top. So that's where it leaks from. This car is sorry, let me get you. It's a 30th anniversary. Just means it's a 97. But leaving work, I got a few things I need to do this car still yet. I've put new inner and outer tie rods. I upgraded to the Moog problem solvers, but probably still gonna have to do a rack and pinion on this car. It does have a lot of bump steer and some other issues with the steering. It needs alignment. The headliner needs to be fixed. It has a new exhaust all the way back except for the manifolds, which I'm going to get rid of the manifolds eventually. I'm going to put just some cheap eBay headers on it, just to maybe give it a little bit deeper sound, because right now it sounds like crap. It has a Flowmaster something muffler on it. There's no cats. Has a bad O2 sensor, upgraded aluminum radiator, like a 3-core or maybe a 4. I doubt it's a 4. I think it's just a 3. I did have to change the thermostat. The thermostat was too cold, I think. Yeah, it was too cold. It didn't stay closed long enough, so when it was like really cold, like kind of like it is today, it wouldn't warm up. It would literally take 20-30 minutes, because I just wouldn't sit there and wait on it. I'd sit there and wait on it for 10 minutes, and I'd take off, and 20 minutes later, driving and banging through the gears, that's when it would actually start be warm enough that I can just turn defrost on. So I changed it out for the OEM spec thermostat, which was super freaking easy. I couldn't believe how easy it was to change the thermostat in this car. It's got aftermarket speakers all the way around. Basically just the 4 speakers, the 2-door speakers, and then the 2 in the B-pillars. That's it. There's no other speakers in this car. There's supposed to be speakers in the hatch. I think one on the driver's side. It's like a sub, basically. That's gone. Someone removed that. So if anyone has one of those that's OEM, let me know. The wiring is still there and everything. So if you have that sub or whatever that speaker is, I will buy it. The transmission mount in the back is completely gone. The transmission moves up and down a lot, and if you're like pulling in second gear and then you just like hit the clutch really fast, it just drops down and you hit a really good bump or something, like a really big pothole or something. Transmission bounces, you can hear it hit. Fog lights are gone. Dash has 2, 3, 4 cracks in it, of course. But the body ain't too bad on this car. Interior is not horrible. There's no holes in the seats or anything. That's sure to come. This material breaks down after a couple of years, and the driver's seat gets really bad because people just fall into them. Sorry, it's shaking a little bit. So that little bit of shake that you're seeing right now, that's just the idle. But it's not too bad of a car. It's got some clear coat issues in some areas. The driver's side mirror, so this is all manual car. I mean, everything's manual. It's got manual locks, manual windows. I like that kind of stuff. That's including the manual transmission. If it was carbureted, then we'd really be talking. I really wouldn't get rid of this car. But at this point, I think this car, I'm going to clean it up, fix it up and everything. And then hopefully in the channel, I might give this car away. So after it is fixed, and I'm talking, you know, good amount of work, I'm going to do this car and just give it away. So if you're interested in winning this car, just comment down below, hey, I'm interested. If so, I will start looking into that. I think the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to upload a separate video later on, and all you'll have to do is like and comment on that. And once you do that, and if you're already subscribed, or if you're not yet, you should be, because I will be picking through that subscriber list and seeing who has commented and liked on that video, and I'll pick someone randomly. I am in East Tennessee, but I don't really care. If you're in the States, we'll figure out something. So let me know down in the comments if you want. Subscribe so you can stay tuned on when that giveaway comes out. Give this video a like if you like Camaros, or if you're passionate about driving and fixing up cars that, you know, are inexpensive and people usually overlook, like a V6 Camaro that's 5-speed. But I'll end it there. Sorry this video is a little cringy. Things will get better. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.